Namaste, I'm Acharya Pratishtha and I welcome you to this Sunday special episode of Yoga with Acharya Pratishtha, where I'm going to share with you how you can lose weight without losing your facial glow. Here are a few very important and easy tips to lose weight without losing your facial glow. Never skip your meal, don't starve yourself. Breakfast is the most important meal. Have an apple, glass of milk, veg dalia, oats or cornflakes, but just don't skip your breakfast. Go sugarless for some time. Say no to tea, coffee and cold drinks. Begin your day with lemon water. Other than following the yoga kriyas which we are showing you in this video, take out some time for dancing as well, because dancing keeps you healthy at the level of body as well as mind. Go for non-sugary fruits like apple, papaya. Take ample amount of water. Stay stress-free because stress increases your weight. Try to do household work by yourself. Mothers must spend time playing with their kids instead of sending them with helpers. Having a glass of fresh lauki juice, empty stomach in the morning helps a lot in weight loss. But make sure you don't mix any other thing in this lauki juice except few drops of lemon juice for better taste. Take ample sleep, as less sleep means reduced metabolism. Take your last meal by 7 p.m. Don't go for crash diets. Take healthy, balanced diet. Don't forget to practice these kriyas which we are showing you in this video if you want to lose weight but you don't want to lose your facial glow. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to like this video and don't forget to share it with your loved ones, because yoga life means happy life. Hari Om.